see the goose laying there just behind the brown and white and the black and white steer there. You can just see the goose white feathers laying on the other side. And there's a little baby heifer there, number 44, laying with them this morning. If I can get a better shot of the goose there or not. Yeah, you can see the goose just on the other side of that black and white steer there. You can just see her back. She's got her head tucked in. And there's the young number 44 heifer there. And the red Angus steer there that he's just over a year old. He was born in April of 2021. So he's too young for this fall to go, but these other two, they're over 2 years old. But you can see the goose right there, that white spot there. She follows them around and lays with them. It's funny how the goose hangs around with them all the time. She'll go down into the barn in the heat of the day, and so does young heifer there. She goes down into the barn. She's found the water tank with the rest of them, so she's good. She got out once since I put her in with them, but she hasn't since. Yeah, my dilemma here. You got parts everywhere from rad here to fans and air intake and $500 front dry shaft that I just had rebuilt last fall because the spline was seized up. It cost me $500 to get it rebuilt. Brand new CV axle I just put in here this summer. Well, just a few weeks ago. Mr. Bull is laying down there all by him lonesome down there. I don't know where the cows are. They could be down the road line. But he's laying down there by himself this morning. sleeping pigs, so I just woke them up. No, it's too early for food, you guys. It's too early for food yet. Hey girls, that's the boar right there with hay on the end of his nose. And the 3 females. Look how big and fat they are. They should be having babies before too long. I'm not going to keep any of them. Oh, there's one cow down there. She's on the road line on the other side of the hydro pole there. So I take it the rest of the cows are down the road ditch down there with between here and I don't know, a couple of 1,000 feet that way, cleaning up that road line ditch and hydro right away and right up to their electric fence. Oh, there's another one coming there. See, they're on the other side of the hydro pole, so they're cleaning up the roadside ditch and right up to the bush line of the hydro easement, all the way down to the neighbor's place. Nyan King. Another overcast day. See, the bull got up. Yeah. And the bull got up when the other cow came in there. He got up. At least I got a bit of feed to last a while. This is all pig hay for the winter. It's all baleage that I got for nothing from my hay guy. You eating my maple tree? Eh? Are you eating my maple tree? Hmm? You only got up because you seen me out here wandering around. I don't know if the goose has moved or she's standing up there now. You can see her there now. She's standing up. As the steers moved, but number 44, baby heifer there, she's still laying down. The goose is going to go see the red Angus steer. She's taking them okay. She bawled for a few days for me, but she's settled down quite a bit now.